Good morning. Here, which dosha is making? Educator is making masala dosha or upma dosha or which dosha? Good morning. Good afternoon, guys. Right, Shiva, Pranit, Seven, Lakshmi. Good morning, everyone. How are you? Today we'll take half an hour class only. Because actually I said I will not take the class today, but they said, sir, at least take a half an hour class. Don't worry. Yeah. I said no to them also. They said at least take half an hour, sir. They said like that. Then I have scheduled this at this time, right? Morning I said it is not possible. Then they said the other time we just take half an hour. So half an hour we'll take today and we'll just close, right? I said morning not possible, no Shiva? Yes, yes, I am good. How are you? Anant, Prasad, Lakshmi. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? Everyone, how are you? Right. Good. Very good. All of you had your lunch? Tea, coffee, breakfast, lunch, everything is done? Right. Good morning. Right. Trigonometric leveling we'll be discussing part 1, that is GATE and ESE PYQs. Okay. Yeah. Jai Hind. So happy Independence Day to everyone. No, only breakfast done. Very good. So 76 years of freedom we are having, but still in some things we are following the British things only. Right. So happy Independence Day to all of you. Very happy Independence Day. Right. All of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? So everybody get ready to crack, all of you. Right, Ramesh, good morning. This is my profile and you can use this referral code RPC, all of you, right? Now, these are all GATE 2023 toppers from Unacademy. And now you will be having this offer. It will be valid up to which one? It will be valid. There is an offer you are having. Yeah. You have to make it 77. Right. Okay. So this is the offer you are having, all of you. If you just observe, this offer is valid up to this 19th August. And what is that offer? You can say you will be having this extra months, right? Extra subscription months you will be getting, all of you. Okay. So don't miss this. So RP Civil, right? So what is that you are having? 18 months if you are taking 3 months extra, 9 months if you are taking 2 months extra, 6 months if you are taking 1 month extra. Iconic also 18 plus 3, 9 plus 2 and 6 plus 1, right? So what is that referral code you have to use, all of you, right? RP Civil is the code you have to use, everyone, right? And on August 20th up to August 19th you will be having this offer, and on August 20th you will be having this scholarship test, everyone, right, at 12 p.m. So depending upon the rank you are getting in the scholarship test, now you will be given this much amount of scholarship. Okay, right. Now these are the batches started, right? What are these batches? Right, accelerate batch for this 2024. When it was started, August 11th it was started with engineering mathematics by Umeshwar sir, right? So what is that referral code you have to use, everyone? RP Civil. And for 2025 also this batch we have to 2025 also one more batch will be starting. RP Civil is the code you have to use, right? And when you wanted to enroll for this, you just try to enroll for this, all of you, right? Enroll for this batch, everyone. Okay, right. Coming to this. Now, those who are taking this iconic subscription, they will be getting these books in a printed format also, along with the plus benefits. Right now, coming to this, right? This course on this surveying is going on. Plus course on this strength of materials are going on, right? So 3 classes are pending in this surveying. So I'll be doing them, don't worry. Strength of materials is running. So this GATE and ESE PYQs of the surveying we are doing, right? Which chapter now we are discussing? This is lecture 30 Varna in the GATE and ESE PYQ series. Chapter 9, trigonometric leveling we are doing, right? So this trigonometric leveling we are doing, if you just observe, right? So I'll be starting the poll. Shall I start the poll of you? 180 seconds, okay, 160, 150 seconds time I am giving. Try to solve this, all of you, everyone. Very good morning, everyone. Tera Indra Shravan. Mithun, Messi, good morning. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Yeah, good afternoon. Okay, good morning has become good afternoon. Right. Solve this and tell me. Shiva only answered correctly. What about the others? 74 seconds more time. This is ESE 2014 question. And what is the meaning of this? Up to this 2014, that a trigonometric leveling was not there, right? No question was given, no single question was given up to 2014, right? 2014 one question is given in the ESE, 2015 one question is given in the ESE. You can say that's it. These are, and one more year recently given, right? Like that. But gate they were giving regularly. Time you want? Okay, I will increase the timer. Yeah, 125 seconds more time. Ananth. Only Shiva answered correctly. What about the others? $85 seconds more time. I am not checking in YouTube. I have to check in YouTube also, na? I forgot. I did not open that YouTube also till now. One sec. Yeah, happy Independence Day to those who are from YouTube also. Anant also answered correctly. What about the others, everyone? Messi also answered correctly. This is a chota bacha question, na, everyone. It is a simple question, or it is very difficult question if you just observe it. It is very simple question, na, as no, chota bacha question only. Just if you draw the diagram, it's over. That's it. Drawing the diagram is only the main important one. Okay. Yeah. Once you draw the diagram, it's over. That's it. Right. 5 seconds more time. Right. A theodolite was set up at P, and the angle of elevation to the top of this mobile tower ST was which one? 30 degree. That staff reading held at the staff station of RL of 110 meters is 2.555, right? What is it? You can see if you just observe, this is your ground you are having. Let us say this is your which one? This is a mobile tower somewhere, right? It is present. So to the top of this mobile tower, right? What is that you are having? What is that reading you are taking? If you just observe, this is your instrument station. What is that reading you are taking to the top of this mobile tower, everyone? To the top of this mobile tower, it is a 30 degree angle of elevation you are taking now to the top of this mobile tower, right? How much it will be? That is your 30 degree alpha, you can say, right? Is now, and this is, let us say, benchmark. So what is the benchmark reduce level? 110 meters is the benchmark reduce level now. And when you take it like this, right, what is that? You can say if you just observe, how much is that, right? This is what you are having now. On this benchmark of this 110 meters, right, what is that reading you have got? 2.555 is the reading now, right? 2.555 you are having, you can say, right? And now what is this distance? If you just observe, this is your h, you can say, right? Yes, now that is your h, right? The telescope being horizontal, okay? Telescope is horizontal, that's it. The horizontal distance between the foot of this tower and the instrument station is 810 meters, right? So foot of this tower and this instrument station, right, what is this horizontal distance? You can say that d will be equal to that 810 meters, or not, everyone? That is 810 meters, right? Then the reducer level of this top of this tower is, right? How can you get that if you just observe of you? So this is what you are having now, yes or no? So this is what you are having, right? This is your alpha, this is your d, This is your which one? This is a h, you can say, right? How can you get that h? How can you get that h? That is your d tan alpha na. So h by this d equal to tan alpha, right? Tan alpha is what? H in h equal to d tan alpha na. What is it you can say? That is your 810 meters into the tan 30 degree, right? Tell me what is the h value? How many meters is the h value comes to be, all of you? How many meters is the h value, everyone? How many meters is the h value? Therefore, that reduced level of this top of this tower equal to, that is benchmark reduced level, plus this is nothing but your back side na, plus this back side, plus this which one, this h, right? What is it you are having? That is your 467.65, right? Now tell me what is the benchmark reduced level? 110 meters, plus back side is how much? That 2.555, plus this h is how much? That 467.65 na. So total, tell me what is the reduced level of this wall? If you just observe, isn't it? Isn't it? So reduced level of this benchmark, you know, and if you add this 2.555, you will be getting the reduced level of this line of sight as this horizontal. So if you add this h value, you will be getting the reduced level of this top of this tower, right? How much you will be getting? That is 580.21 meters, right? So is there any option 580.21 meters? Option C will be the nearby answer, na? So no, option C will be the nearby answer, or not everyone? Option C will be the nearby answer, right? Like that, right? So shall I move to the next question of you? Yeah, good afternoon, Shruti. Right? So shall we move to the next question, everyone? Wait. Okay. I'll wait. Note it. Here are previous one. Okay. Solution. Okay. Missy, note it. We'll take half an hour only this class. Okay. Because again at 3 o'clock the class is there, na, SSCGE plus class. It will be streaming on YouTube actually. I'll be just giving. Already KP sir started environmental engineering. Today only started. 45 seconds time I am giving. Try to solve this, all of you. Shiva, Shruti answered correctly. Nilesh, good afternoon. Ananta also answered correctly. Right. Here, with regard to the trigonometric leveling, which of the following statements is correct at its simplest application? Determination of these elevations of station is based on the observed vertical angles and the horizontal distances. Na? Based on this observed vertical angle, angle of elevation or angle of depression, and these are horizontal distances, right? Yes, correct or not? Yes. Determination of this horizontal distance. Are we going to determine the horizontal distance in this trigonometric leveling? No, na? Determination of these vertical angles. Are you going to determine the vertical angles, or you are determining the reduced level? You are measuring the vertical angles, and from that we are going for which one? This one you can say, right? Elevations, right? Yes, Aiteja answered correctly. Based on the observation of horizontal angle. From the horizontal distance, do you get this angle of elevation? No, it is not. Determination of this horizontal distance is based on the observation of vertical angle. Is a horizontal distance based on the vertical angle? No, it is nowhere related. Which one you can say? The first one is only correct, na? Yes or no? We will be observing the angle of elevation and this angle of depression and horizontal distance. From these two, we will be getting which one? This a reduced level, right? Is it clear? Shall I move to the next question, all of you? Third question. Third question, if you just observe, think it and select. 60 seconds time I am giving. question we have solved in our class also, plus class also, if you just remembered of you. Shiva, Messi, Shruti answered correctly. Do you remember that we have solved this in our plus class also? You remembered or not? Those who attended our plus class of surveying. No, not remembered. Okay, very good. Right. So tilt of this tachyometric array. Tilt of this tachyometric survey increases the intercept if it is, right? If it is, which one? Away from the telescope pointing up the hill, right? So whenever it is pointing up the hill, this will be increasing or it will be decreasing, tell me. Pointing up the hill, right? Whenever it is pointing up the hill, right? So whenever it is pointing up the hill, right, that will be, when it will be increasing this, you can say away from the telescope, right? It is away from the telescope and pointing up the hill, right? So what is the meaning of it? You can say it will increase the staff intercept. Now when it will increase the staff intercept, if you just observe, so here you can say, or you can just consider like this also. Now tell me what happens here. Angle of this is your, which one? This is a central one, na? Actually this question should be tachyometer. Okay, I'll just skip this question. This question we'll solve in the tachyometer. Okay, we'll solve this in the tachyometer. Okay, because why, how that tachyometer comes into picture, I'm just searching for that. Don't worry, that question I'll discuss in the tachyometer. Okay, yeah, tachyometer is already over. Yes, tachyometer is already over, and that question was already discussed, is not? Tachyometer, that question was already discussed in the tachyometer, if I am not wrong. Okay, we'll skip that. Okay, already over now. One 80 seconds time I'm going. Try to solve this, all of you. Always it cannot be B, okay? I'm just skipping that question, previous question, because it is a tachyometric question, right? Not the trigonometric leveling, okay? Already that question was done. In our plus class it is done, and in the PYQ sessions also it is done, if you remember. Eat. Good morning. Eat. Why eat or eat it is? How to call? Anant only answered correctly. Right. How many of you did not understand the question? Tell me. How many of you understood the question or did not understand the question? Some people may not be able to understand this question because clumsy statements are there, na? Is that right? You have to be careful, right? You read the question carefully, right? You read the question carefully, right? Then you can understand it easily, right? Okay. No. At last, Tukabayu, yaar, I thought you have understood and you have done this. Okay. Okay, let it be. So here, a staff placed on the benchmark of reduced level, which one? This is a reduced level 100 meters, and a theodolite is placed at a horizontal distance of 50 meters from the benchmark, right? Yes, now, now this one, do you understand? This one you understood? This is your benchmark. A staff is placed on the benchmark, na? So this is your benchmark, right? The first statement you understood or not, everyone? This is the first statement, right? Benchmark you are having. Let us say staff is that theodolite is placed at which distance, you can say? Theodolite is placed at which distance, all of you? At this 50-meter horizontal distance, now? No. What is it you can say? From the bending moment to measure the vertical angles, right? The measured vertical angles from the horizontal at a staff reading of which one? This is 0.4 meter and 2.4 meter are found to be same, right? So what is it you can say? The vertical readings are same, na? Yes or no? The vertical values, right? The measured vertical angles from the horizontal at a staff readings of 0.4 meter and staff reading of which one? This is 2.4 meter are found to be the same, right? So taking the height of this instrument as 1.4 meters, RL of this theodolite station is. Then you are asked to identify which one? This RL of this theodolite station, right? How can you identify these if you just observe? So what is that given here? Anybody observed? Anybody observed this first of all of you? Anybody observed this or not? All of you. Angle is same, right? But angle is same for what conditions, everyone? If you just observe, this angle is same for what conditions, all of you? Angle is same for what conditions, everyone? Anybody, if you go for angle is the same for what conditions, all of you? Angle is the same for which one? This is different staff readings, na? Different staff readings, right? What is the meaning of this different staff readings? Here, is it mentioned that same angle of elevation only both are, or both are angle of depression only, or here just it is mentioned that vertical angles only? Just it is mentioned that vertical angles only, na? Is or no? Now, what you can understand from this, there is no other point available with us. Then what you can understand from here is, you have to take it like this, okay? So if you are taking at this 0.4 meter reading, na, at this 0.4 meter vertical angle reading, so at 0.4 meter staff reading, this is that alpha you are getting, and at this place also, at this 2.4 meter reading also you will be getting which one? This is same alpha only, right? So here now you understood what are the two vertical angles the same at 0.4 meter reading and this 2.4 meter reading, everyone? Understood now? Everyone understood or not? Yes, now? Now tell me, what is that a central reading? If you just observe, what is that a central reading? This tell me. This is R is the symbol we are giving for the central reading now. So what is that a central reading, everyone? Central reading R will be equal to which one? All of you. 0.4 और 2.4 के बीच में रहेगा ना? क्या है वो? 2.4 plus this 0.4 divided by this 2, right? Exactly how much it comes to be? That 1.4 meters hoga na? 1.4 meters, right? So this is 1.4 meters, R is 1.4 meters. And what is the height of this instrument given? If you just observe, height of this instrument is also given this 1.4 meters na? Let us say this is your point here. And then what you are asked to identify? Then the reduced level of this theodolite station. And what is that? A reduced level of this theodolite station? A will be the theodolite station now. That is equal to benchmark reduced level plus this central staff reading. So average, what is that you will be getting? Plus, minus which one, right? Minus 1.4. How much it comes to be? That is 100 plus 1.4 minus 1.4 equals to how much? 100 meters. Right? Now it is simple or tell me difficult? Tell me. Now it is simple or difficult? Now it is simple or difficult, everyone? It's a chota bacha question, a simple question, is it no? It is simple question only or not, everyone, all of you? It is a simple question only, right? You have to be careful, right? Just note this and tell me. We'll enter into the next question, fourth question. Dia, Sak, good afternoon. Done, noted everyone. So shall I move to the next question? That is fourth question. 3 questions we are done. Fourth question will be moving into. This is not fifth question, this is fourth question, because that is the trigonometric question comes in between. Okay, so we have skipped that question. Right, LB, starting the poll, try to select the answer at 180 seconds we are giving. Figure is missing in the question. Okay, one sec, I'll try to upload this question. One second, guys. Don't worry, I'll give extra time. No need to worry. Yeah, figure I missed it. One second. I thought I have copied the figure, but I did not copy the figure. Only text I have copied. I forgot the figure. Okay. Meanwhile, read the question fully. Yeah, this is the figure. Is that picture looking clear or not? If that is not clear, I'll just try to upload one more figure. Right? One sec. Just a minute. 1 second. Where is it? Figure 2F5G2. Arre Baba. I have saved it, but it is not saved. 1 sec. Yeah. Now this is clear. Now this picture is clear. Right? Okay. I'll be increasing the timer. Don't worry. Right. 170 seconds, 180 seconds more time we are having. Okay. If you want me to go to the question, I'll go back to the question or whatever it is. Dia answered because she solved the question already, or you solved now itself. Even though you have solved the questions previously, don't select the answer from the, don't select the options from the answer you may remembered, everyone. Okay. You have to solve now and you select. Okay. Then what will happen? Your calculation fastness will be increasing. Your calculation speed will be increasing. Okay, here only you solved now, very good. If you are solved now, it is good, but if you are not solved here, it is not good. Okay. Question wala slide, right? Diagram, okay. Shruti answered correctly. Time, okay, I'll increase, right, 150 seconds more time. Puneet, good afternoon. Nobody is answering from YouTube. Question? Diya, Shruti, Shiva also answered correctly. Very good. Yes, good afternoon. %100% correct answer. Twenty seconds more time. Today I'll not take RCC class, okay? Because that for SSJ itself, that orientation session will be there at 3 p.m. So that SSJ class will not be there. Tomorrow only it will be there. RCC class. From tomorrow onwards, as usual, right? 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. this RCC class, and at 10 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. this surveying class only will be there. Today it is little different, so that's why I have taken at this time. Alright, one sec, let me refresh. And it's not working. Right. So what is it given? The vertical angles subtended by top of this tower T at two instrument stations is set at P and Q are shown in the figure. The two stations are in line with the tower and spaced at the benchmark 460 meters or spaced, okay, spaced, right? Spaced and the benchmark of 460 meters are shown in the figure. So the reduced level of this top of this tower T is, right? Actually something is missing here, some statement is wrong here. Okay, right, these are the staff readings, right? So P is away and Q is nearby, right? This is the top of this tower T, you can say, right? So what is it you can say? Let us take this as alpha, let us take this as beta na. So no, we have given this symbol only, no? If you remember, all of you, nearby angle that is alpha and away angle it is beta na. Yes or no? Nearby angle alpha and away angle it is beta is the symbol we are giving, or not everyone? So this is what is that you can say, this is D you can say, and what is this one? This is the symbol small b is the symbol we have given na. Yes or no? This is a small b is the symbol we have given, right? So from this alpha, what is that you can say, right? This 2.555 will be what? That 2.555 will be how much? That is your S1, okay? And this 0.555 will be which one? This S2 we can say, right? So from this first one, right, what is that you consider? This is your H1 and this is your H1, and what is this one you consider? This is your H2, right? Yes, na? This is your H2, right? So do you remember this relation, all of you, everyone? Do you remember this relation, all of you, that S will be equal to, which one is higher? S1 is higher na? S1 minus S2, that is also nothing but which one? S1 minus S2, that is also nothing but your H2 na? S1 is higher means H2 will be higher, right? H2 minus this H1, right? H2 minus this H1, right? Is not this S value we know, right? What is the S value this implies? What is the S value, everyone? 2.555 minus 0.555 na? So what is that? 2.555 minus this 0.555, right? What is that you can say? That is nothing but which one of you? That is nothing but your 2 meters na? 2 meters you can say. And now if you consider this triangle, this first triangle at this P, this is a Q bottom point na? That is your Q1 top point. This is a P bottom point and this is your P1 top point, right? So this is Q1, right? That is a T. Let us say this is your which one? This is T1. And this is, let us say, T2, right? If you consider this triangle nearby, so Q1 T1, whenever you consider this Q1 T1, what is it you can say? This is your Q1, this is your T, this is your T1, right? Which angle we have to consider? This alpha we have to consider na? Alpha we have to consider. Alpha beta we have given, or alpha 1 alpha 2 we have given? Which one? Alpha beta or alpha 1 and alpha 2? I think it is alpha 1 and alpha 2 na? Alpha 1 and alpha 2 we have given, it seems, if I am not wrong, is na? Alpha 1 and alpha 2, right? So this is alpha 1, right? What is it? This distance is your D, you can say, right? Now tell me what is it you are getting the relation? This is T1. What is it? T1 you can say? T1 is nothing but your H1 na? T1 is nothing but your H1, right? What is it you can say? That H1 is equal to which one? This D tan alpha 1, right? Vineet Deepali, good morning. H1 is equal to that D tan alpha 1, right? Similarly, if you consider this triangle, right, what is it you can say? This triangle, this is your P1, that is T2, and this T feature. This is your alpha 2, right? What is this distance will become now? That is your capital D plus this B distance na? So what is this distance if you just this is your B, that is your D, B plus D will come na? So now when you consider this triangle, so this is P1, T2 and this T. And what is this height, right? That height will be H2, right? Now tell me what is the H2 you can say, if you just observe that H2 will be equal to that capital D plus which one? This B into tan alpha 2. Yes, na? Isn't it? So now what is that you can say? H2 minus H1 is yes na? Yes equal to H2 minus H1, right? What is the H2 minus H1? D tan alpha 2 plus what is that you can say? That is your B tan alpha 2 minus what is it you can say, that D tan alpha 1, okay? That is yes you are having, right? That is yes you are having, right? Then how can you get this D value from this? If you just observe that D value, we can get it as what? How can you get this D value? S minus, right? What is it you can say? S minus, right? S minus B tan alpha 2 divided by S minus B tan alpha 2 divided by which one? All of you. That is your tan alpha 2 minus this tan alpha 1. So you can get this expression in the examination, or you can remember this expression, right? Do you remember this expression, everyone? This kind of expression we have got now, yes or no? S minus b tan alpha 2, s minus b tan alpha 2 divided by this tan alpha 2 minus this alpha 1, right? Yes, now is it clear, everyone? Right? Now how can you get this value of this d? That d value, how can you get that? If you just observe s minus b tan alpha 2, right? What is the s? 2 meters. 2 meters minus what is it? B, you can say 60 na? 60 tan alpha 2, right? What is it? Alpha 2? Alpha 2 is nothing but your 10.5 na? Tan 10.5 degree divided by what is it? You can say that is tan 10.5 degree minus which one? This tan 16.5 degree. Okay, tell me how many meters is that a d value comes to be? If you just observe, how many meters is that a d value, everyone? Therefore reduce the level of this t. Day 2.25 meters, right? So you can write it as this benchmark reduced level plus s1 plus h1. You can write it now. Okay. Reduced level of this t point is equal to benchmark reduced level 450 meters plus s1. Once you are getting s1, it will come up to this one. S1 means a line of sight of this instrumented cube plus h1. If you add, you will be getting the reduced level of this t, or benchmark reduced level plus s2 plus s2 plus h2, right? Either you can get it from that or this one. Which one you wanted to use? RL of t will be equal to benchmark reduced level plus this s2 plus this h2, right? Shall you go for the first one because it is simple now? So what is the h1? You can get it now. H1 is nothing but your d tan alpha 1 na? So what is it? H1 you can say d tan alpha 1, right? What is it? D 82.258 tan alpha 1, right? Tan 10.5 degree. So what is it? H1 you are getting, all of you? H1 is equal to how many meters? Whenever 258 is there, you round it up to 26. Okay, don't use 25, everyone. How much is it? H1? If you wanted to use 15.245, 15.25. Okay, now tell me what is it? Reduce level of this t. Benchmark reduce level is what? 450 na? 450 plus s1 is what? 2.555 na? Plus h1 is what? This 15.25 na? So tell me what is that reduced level of this t you are getting from this? How many meters is the reduced level of this t, all of you? Everyone, how many meters is the reduced level of this t from this? 467.805. Okay, 81 meters. So which one is the nearby answer? Which one is the nearby answer, all of you? 476. 467 you are getting, everyone. There is no 467. Okay, you select this as the answer, right? Option C will be the correct answer. Is that clear? I think yeah, there is a mistake, right? What is the mistake? Here it is yes, benchmark 460 na, sorry. Yeah, benchmark is 460 na. Where it is given? Somewhere it is given the benchmark. Where it is benchmark given? Benchmark 460. Yes, correct. Right? Benchmark 460, but in the diagram it is given as 450. Yeah, yes. Here it is given as 460 only. Here it is given as 460 only. Yes, that diagram is wrong. 460 you add it, right? Benchmark if you add 460 now, how much you will be getting? Benchmark if you add 460, right? What is the value you are getting? Tell me now. What is the value? Final answer. How much it will be? 10 extra na? So 477.81. Yes na? 477.81. Right? What is the nearby answer? 477.81. Yeah, this is 476. I have given 476.9. So which one is nearby answer? That 472.91 is the nearby answer na? Yes or no? Option C will be the correct answer. Right, like that. Is that clear, everyone? So these are few questions, right? Tomorrow we'll do few more questions, all of you, right? Right, once again happy Independence Day before we close our session. But tomorrow what are the classes we are having? Same, right? Tomorrow same at 8:30 a.m. RCC that SSC JE is going on. SSC JE state AE at 10 a.m. surveying PYQs. Okay, surveying which PYQs? Gate and ESE PYQs. Okay, which topic? Same, trigonometric leveling only. And we'll start another topic also, right? What is that another topic we'll start after that, everyone? Trigonometric traversing, can we start? So if these trigonometric leveling questions are completed, we'll start traversing. Otherwise I'll take half an hour class only and I'll complete the trigonometric leveling questions, right? So that lessons will be topic wise separated. Okay, whatever it will, I'll see how many questions are there. Depending upon the questions, I'll schedule for half an hour or 45 minutes, right? That will be good, it seems, right? Okay, we'll go with the trigonometric leveling only. In 2023 also, GATE also, there is a question from the trigonometric leveling, na? Yes or no? Right. Thank you all of you. Have a good day. Thank you everyone.